Just over a month after a transport truck crashed into this townhouse in Kelowna, it was finally pulled out by a towing company today after a month of delays, a relief to the homeowners.
It's a big relief, but it's just, one step in the next direction of getting the house all repaired now. It's going to be a while, but, I'm very happy it's gone now, but I'm also starting to question, why did it take this long? You can see the beam, all it was one piece of wood, right? Why did that take a month? And, why was the house not shored up and closed off more securely?
And you did have these, break-ins, people, sort of basically flopping in your house and stealing things on and on. It's been tough, hasn't it?
It's been very tough, yeah. It's a great toll on the whole family. We're dealing with a lot of the mental aspects of it and dealing with it. Me and my wife have businesses, so we have to focus on our work. It gets in the way, unfortunately. It's been tough.
Yeah. So good to have this one stage behind you, and then you just got to, I guess, sort out all the loose ends.
Now we have to sort it all out and then just make sure that we get a new home to maybe move back into. We don't know yet.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for talking to us about it, and good luck rebuilding.
Thank you. I appreciate it.